Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Wow, you did good.
I did it.
You did good.
We're switching
Good
it
job.
up.
Okay, so it is Saturday and it's about what time? What you said?
It's like 6:30.
And we are going to go on a walk and take Max, like a nature walk. Look at him.
He is laid out.
Yeah. So we figured we would do a short video for you guys. We haven't really done a lot today. Jordan had paperwork from his work week this week. He has clinical, so he's been working in the hospital.
Trying to catch up.
Yeah, so he had paperwork and I did a little bit of schoolwork this morning, but we've just been hanging out. So we figured we need to get out of the house and get Max out of the house as well.
Yes,
so.
we do.
Thank you,
You ready to go, buddy? He said, put it on, put it on, put it on.
You keep talking.
Well, he's like hype and running around the house, and then, I mean, just all the time I'm up and doing something. Look at this.
All right. I know.
What are you doing, Bubba? Come on. Come on, Bubba. Just look at this.
It's like a little ropes course. That's cool.
It's like fall, the leaves all on the ground.
Even though it's still like 90 degrees outside.
Okay, you know, let's just focus on the positives, okay?
They said
will
today,
be-
this is supposed to be like the last day that's going to be in the 90s.
I know the way. Hey, Bubba, you know the way? Sure that was me?
Yeah. We sat on the end of this dock right here.
What was the night you like planned a date and it was dark and I was like, you probably should not be out here. My parents would probably not let me out here in the pitch dark with you.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
What you think, Max?
Hi, buddy.
Oh, that's beautiful. What is it? Is there some people?
Yeah, he said there's humans over there.
And then he's come like tucking up by us.
Like, I got you guys.
He's like, I got your back. He said, I know you guys aren't really paying attention.
I'll get them for you.
Just look at that.
So we are back.
Max is laid out on the dish rag.
The dish rag, he won't leave up on our oven. Hey guys, so we are back and we're gonna go ahead and end the video here because we are about to eat. We are about to eat and we are done with our little walk. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel and like this video and let us know what you think. So
see ya.
Bye.